Do you want to know how you can check and get your rewards in Fliki AI? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check and get your rewards in Fliki AI easily. Go ahead and open Fliki AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. What you need to do is click Account, which is on the left hand side, and you can see rewards. Tap on rewards and you can see there are some options to gain your rewards. So you can earn 2 credits for each video you share on the following platforms. All you need to do is make sure to tag Fliki on your post or description. You can see that you will get some points. So you can earn up to 18 minutes of credits by spreading a word about Fliki. If you want to upload a video on YouTube, click on YouTube and you can see that creator mode will be enabled. You can create, you can upload a video and then you can tag Fliki. This way you will get some points. Same goes for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. If you add something on your post on your social media and tag Fliki, created by Fliki or something like that, you can see that you will now gain points. So this is how you check and earn your rewards on Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.